Hello, my name is Li Shen. I'm a professor of informatics and radiology at University of Pennsylvania. My research is focused on medical image computing by informatics. We develop AI and machine learning methods for analyzing multidimensional biomedical data sets with application to various disorders, including Alzheimer's disease. I am the leader of the technology identification and training core for the Pen AI Tech. So today I'm going to discuss a little bit about AI and machine learning strategies for Alzheimer's disease research. So as we all know, research in Alzheimer's disease and related dementia, or ADRD, is a national priority. So the major challenge is there's no drug that can modify the disease. Although we actually made some recent progress, which is pretty promising, this is still a major challenge. So in order to address this challenge, we need to understand the genetic, molecular, and the neurobiological mechanisms underlying the disease. So people have been collecting these multidimensional biobank data sets, and such as say genotyping and whole genome sequencing data. This is at the genetic level, and also multi-omics data at molecular cellular level, and also say fluid biomarkers, measuring those chemical biomarker in the blood, in cerebral spinal fluid, and also say the imaging data to capture brain structure, function, connectivity, since Alzheimer's disease is a brain disorder. And certainly the phenotypic outcome, such as the cognition, behavior. So we have all these large-scale multidimensional data sets available in the biobank, and but in order to make full of use that, we actually need to develop AI and machine learning methods, hopefully to identify interesting patterns from these data sets. So the example could be the ADRD biomarker, right? So you can analyze those data and identify measurement that can serve as biomarker to predict the future disease diagnosis status, and also to predict maybe the conversion. So say earlier stage will convert to a later stage, right? And the disease. And also to quantify maybe the treatment response, right? So these are the biomarker study. So we can also analyze those data sets, try to find data-driven, say, disease subtypes. In that case, we can kind of facilitate the precision medicine, because the disease is not it does not have a homogeneous underlying mechanism, right? So it's not a single disease. It might be having different subpopulations with different subtypes. So we can also use AI and machine learning to achieve that goal. So another thing is we can also have a better understanding of the disease mechanism, say like to estimate the disease progression. Maybe you can estimate a score, and along those score, you can actually figure out the trajectory of each different biomarkers, right? Because different biomarker may capture different subtypes. In that case, we can have a better understanding of the disease mechanisms. And with all these findings, we can also use those results to help identify therapeutic targets It could be genes and proteins, which we can modify so that to treat the disorder, right? So we also need AI machine learning coupled with, say, a lot of existing knowledge. So say we know the relationship between different genes, proteins. So there's a gene network, protein network, and we also have the disease network. There's comorbidity, right, between different diseases, and also different kind of drugs, the drug network, and in between we can also connect the drug with the disease and the drug with the genes and the proteins, and also proteins with the disease, right? So because this could be the target of the disease. With all these kind of network available, we can actually do data mining, machine learning, graph, like say deep learning, right? Based on, because the network is the graph. Then try to figure out the relationship between, say, the disease and the drugs which are not originally designed for treat Alzheimer's disease and ADRD, right? So in that case, we can actually do some kind of linker prediction to rank all the other drugs and their relationship with the Alzheimer's disease. In that case, maybe the top ranked results can serve as candidates for further like analysis. So in that case, we can do drug repurposing, right? And another thing is with these recent development in these large language model and large foundation model, we can actually develop new methods. Given a target, we can even design the drug that can work with the target, right? So in that case, that can enable the drug discovery. So so to sum up, actually, so with the availability of all these large-scale biobank data and coupled with AI and machine learning methods, we can actually we anticipate to generate new findings, right, for AD and ADRD. That includes the new AD biomarkers, so maybe the new AD subtypes, and better understanding of the disease mechanism, and also for identifying new therapeutic targets and discover new drugs. So if you want to learn more about this, please visit the Penn AI Tech website. Thank you.